Hey, Rusty here from Rural Acre Farms. Might as well go over and start up the tractor and let her warm up. Yeah, it took a little while today for the glow plugs. Let's get these fuel containers in the back of the truck so we can go down and get some diesel fuel. Better finish unloading the truck from the other day. Those chickens, they eat a lot. But it's worth it for the big brown eggs. Time to get some gas and fuel. Don't get them mixed up. Oh boy, that looks slick. Let's check on the cows. Well, there's three of you ladies. How are you all doing today? You're looking mighty fine. There comes another. There comes a couple more. There comes little Joe. I bet they're expecting some kind of treat. And we may get them some in a minute. Oh, look at there. So that's where I left that at. I think I'll walk down here and get it before I forget it again. My walking stick. Oh well. Yeah. Buttercup always wants a scratch. Ain't that right, Buttercup? Yeah. I want to take a walk back here and check on their hay right quick. I've got to be out of town for a couple of days. Well, I actually be back home overnight. I just want to make sure that they got plenty of hay in their hay ring. I'll check it one more time before I leave. Yeah, they've barely touched it since yesterday. I think while I'm out of town, I might get them a protein tub. I usually go up the side of that hill right there and then up the hill beside the pond. But it's been so slick here lately, I can't get my tractor up there. Even with it being four-wheel drive, it just won't go. We're supposed to have 43 degrees tomorrow, so I'm hoping that some of this right here thaws out enough till I can get some hay rings up to their barn. Haven't fed the other animals yet. My wife doesn't get off work for about another hour and a half. When she does, I want to take a video of the Brahma Rooster that we made a trip to go get and how he's done with the new hens. Now, is that not the prettiest picture you ever did see? The cows are always curious to what I'm doing, and that's okay. The little brown one right there, her name is Tulip. She's done pretty good. She's not as skittish as what she used to be. Girls, if you behave, I'll come back with you a little snack later on. Does that sound all right? Y'all just hang out? All right. Well, I'm going to leave that bale of hay up here at the top of the bank. That way if it does get muddy, I can still get up here. Yeah, in the wintertime, you seem like you spend a lot of time letting things warm up, including me. Well, hi, kitty. How are you? Are you going to come see me? Are you going to come see me? Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. Goodness. 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 You better go back over where it's good and warm. Huh? Yeah. All right. Well, while we do that, we can get some food ready. I've always said on a rainy day I'd clean this place up, but I haven't. Well, one scoop of pig and sow food for the coonies. And we need 3 scoops for the breeding gilts. There's one. Two. And 3. All right, let's see here. Well, as you can see, today I'm trying out my new microphone. I've not got it on right now because I've got the phone plugged in charging as I run down to the store. Got to run down and get some fuel and gas. Don't want to run out. You guys know what you get when you cross a cow's tongue and a banana? You get a lickety split. All right, they got our fuel and our gas. Well, let's go for a drive back home. Well, there's still some slick spots on the road. Well, just around the corner and we'll be home. Look, see that tree? That's an Indian sign. That sure starts my property. Home. Well, let's check on the chickens. Well, Rooster, you're looking mighty fine. I see you got your ladies. Are you keeping them in line? Don't be too rough on them now.